case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a game-changing decision, the New Jersey Supreme Court has ruled on the controversial Baby M case involving a surrogacy contract between Mary Beth Whitehead and the Stearns, William and Elizabeth, that promised $10,000 in exchange for the baby she was to carry for them. The situation, propelled by Whitehead's refusal to give up the child post-birth, led to a gripping lawsuit that challenged conventional legal views on surrogacy arrangements. The original agreement was not just about surrogacy, it also intended to pave the way for Elizabeth Stearn to adopt the child as the parent and completely sever the connection between the child and its natural mother. This novel but questionable arrangement landed in the stern lap of justice upon Whitehead's refusal to accept the contract's terms post-delivery. The lower court, initially entrusting the child with the Stearns, had given a green light to the adoption proceedings. However, the tables dramatically turned when Whitehead appealed the decision, bringing up concerns on the quality of legal advice she received, potential conflicts of interest with the Infertility Center of New York, and the overall damages to her and the child's rights and interests. The appellate court's perspective on the case stood out in stark contrast to the initial trial court decision. They found the surrogacy contract to be severely flawed, specifically pointing out its conflict with New Jersey state laws and public policies as one of the main issues. Instead of supporting a private adoption setup, the court nulled the termination of Whitehead's parental rights and Elizabeth Stearns' subsequent adoption process, thus acknowledging the Whitehead as the legal mother. They further invalidated a key part of the contract, the provision for paid adoption, ruling it illegal and potentially criminal in terms of the state laws. However, in a move aiming to prioritize the child's welfare, custody was awarded to the biological father, William Stearn. The appellate court, however, ordered a revision of the initial trial court's decision on the mother's visitation rights. The case has been redirected for a reconsideration of this aspect, with the court emphasizing the need to safeguard the child and parents' interests. The Baby M case serves as a critical reminder of the complexities surrounding the surrogacy contracts. The New Jersey Supreme Court's ruling subtly calls for legislative regulation of such arrangements, making sure they stay within the constitutional constraints. The court also left room for voluntary surrogacy agreements without a binding surrender of the child to the other party, hinting at a future where surrogacy might coexist with the state's laws and public policies, albeit on a different footing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.